Hi there, I'm Allan Whiting, yacht tester for Trader Boat magazine. We're out on Sydney Harbour on a magnificent day on board a brand new Hunter 39, which is a bit of a design departure for this company. So let's see how it goes. Well, the 39 styling may look different, but this boat has all the classic Hunter qualities. Furling headsail, in-mast furling mainsail, from motoring to sailing in just a couple of minutes. Nicely balanced rig, good vision, easy to control. Nice boat. I love Hunter boats. Ideal cruising craft, easy to sail, beautifully finished. This one is the best design so far, very stylish, and I reckon you could turn this one into a nice club racer as well. But read the whole story in my report in the magazine. I'm Allan Whiting.